that we put in every single thing that we do. The relationships that we've built over the years with our clients, with our suppliers, with our partners, and the relationships we've yet to develop in the coming years, this is what makes BioEssence strong. And this is what will make BioEssence continuously stronger in the coming years. This is the same exact thing that we will stay committed to in the next 30 years. You know, caring beyond beauty. Where is it? Oh, it's in the tagline. The entire identity of BioEssence is all about caring beyond beauty. In the next 30 years, 50 years, maybe even 300 more years of caring beyond beauty. Now tonight, as a night of celebration and fun, am I right? Let's do that again. Tonight is a night of celebration and fun. Tonight is a night of celebration and fun, so why don't we get things started right away? How about we do an early toast? What do you think about that? Alright, so if I may invite everybody, please grab the glass of your favorite drink if you visited the bar already. If you don't have one, please do visit the bar. We have an amazing bar in the back by Manila Craft. So if I can invite everyone to please stand up. Stretch it out a little bit, stretch it out. Let's go. For those who are standing up, you can sit down. Oh, steal their seats. Steal the seats. Now, alright. Are you ready? Okay. Let's raise our glasses. Fake it if you must fake it. But let's try to all do this together, okay? Everybody, the 30 years of passion, dedication, and care. And to many, many more exciting years to come. Cheers, everyone. Alright, you may sit down. Yes. Now to the exciting part. Tonight, we have not one, not two, not even three, but 4 new things to show you. 4 new incredible things to show you. And this one is going to mark the exciting new chapter of BioEssence. So I think we should get started just right away. First off, we have a new treatment that's coming to our stores. Nalate yung ano. The Harmony XL Pro Laser. This versatile laser machine is capable of treating a wide range of skin concerns. From acne scars, we're going to go through this really fast, don't worry. Fine lines and wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, spider veins, eye veins, even tattoo removal. So kung merong medyo nagsisisi, this is the one for you. Medyo nagsisisi ng konti, you know? Whether it's skin resurfacing, tightening, toning, Harmony XL Pro delivers results that are safe and effective, and that's all I really have to say. That's all that really matters, right? Highly effective treatments with results and delivered with the extra flavor of care. Yes. Now, if you want to learn more about that machine, we have our clinic over there. It's a clinic booth. We have our very knowledgeable representatives who can talk more about it. And then we also have 2 other featured treatments there if you want to check it out throughout the night. Over to the left side, my left, your right, we have the Oxygen Cuticles booth. The owner of Oxygen Cuticles, that's our Korean partner, is actually here. Mr. Wu, are you here? He's there. Mr. Wu, everybody. The owner of Oxygen Cuticles. Super effective oxygen line and treatments. Amazing, amazing line. Now, these great treatments that we have and the great products that we have, they have to have a really, really good home. So we're excited to show you number 2, which is the new look of our BioEssence branches. Let's all watch this. Thank you. Designed with your comfort and relaxation in mind, these refreshed spaces offer a modern but also very inviting atmosphere so that, everybody will feel a little bit extra cared for the moment they walk in. So, this new branches, this is already being built right now in Robinsons Las Piñas, one in SM Cebu. And in the coming months, and for next year, the majority of next year, we're going to be renovating a lot of our spaces so that, we can bring these looks in the branch nearest to you. The next one is actually something that I'm really, really personally excited about. We have a new mobile app for BioEssence. We're calling it the BioEssence SE, and to know more about it, let's all watch this. Oh, sorry. If you were actually very attentive, makita nyo kung ano yung mga treatments na ginagawa ko sa BioEssence. Nakita nyo ba? Did you catch it? No? No? Okay. Alright. So, this app, of course, this will bring beauty and wellness right at your fingertips. And SE is actually more than just an app. It will be your companion for everything BioEssence. Effortless scheduling of your treatments. This is the first time ever that you will have direct access to the schedule of the branch. You don't have to wait for a confirmation call. Right there in the app, you can see the available schedules and book your favorite treatments. You can shop the products, you can manage the treatments or the programs that you purchase in BioEssence or that you're doing in BioEssence. You can book them directly, and also, for a little bit of fun, you can actually watch as well the experiences of other clients and also learn more about skin. You know, we have some educational videos there coming your way. So, if you have the time, please, I invite you to download it. App Store, Google Play. You can download that app starting tonight. Now this app, the new clinic, and the new treatments, we are definitely taking BioEssence to the exciting new chapter. Do you agree? Do you agree, everyone? Yes! Alright, but we're not yet done. We have the one final thing, and I feel like there's a lot of people that's excited about this. I'm really excited about it. You know, we have a very special new member that is joining the BioEssence family. This person needs not a lot of introduction, but the reason why we love this person is that this person really embodies what BioEssence is all about. This person, I know, is very much aligned with our idea of beauty and wellness. And are you excited to meet her? I am too. So before we get that done, because we're gonna meet her in a few seconds, minutes, let's all watch this video.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the new BioEssence ambassador, Miss Jenica Garcia! Ako lang pala mag-isa dito sa mga. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat. Ang dami niyo po pala, ano. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta. Thank you. Papaunlakan ko kayo mamaya kung anong tatanungin at sasagutin po natin. Very happy ako. Sobrang honored na parte pa rin ako ng pamilya ng BioEssence. Nagsimula ako dito, 17 ako. I'm turning 35 already and dito pa rin. So, thank you so much. Once again, a round of applause for our newest BioEssence ambassador, Miss Jenica Garcia. Hello to you. Hi. It was so nice to see you in the flash, although we've been seeing each other earlier. Yes. More frequently than they did because we just, of course, revealed the newest ambassador of BioEssence. And according to Sir Joe, of course, you really embody what BioEssence is about. What can you say about that? Share hiyang-hiya tayo kasi talagang pinaulanan niya tayo ng lahat ng compliment sa mundo. Para lahat ng adjective pinili talaga ni Joe. Pero, ayun, syempre sobrang grateful ako. Nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa BioEssence. Nakakatuwa na I feel that the way BioEssence and I sees beauty is the same. Kumbaga, it's not anti-aging, but more of healthy aging. It's about embracing parang imperfections and seeing the beauty of it all. Kaya nakakatuwa kasi bibihira yung mag-endorse ka or you will be a part of a brand na you also strongly believe in.
And I really like what you said about this. It's healthy aging. It's high time that we embrace aging beautifully. Thank you for reminding everybody here that. Now, Miss Janica, being the newest BioEssence ambassador, and as we've known, Miss Jean Garcia, your mom, was also an ambassador for BioEssence.
Yes, siya talaga ang nauna.
And how does it feel that you are now the named newest ambassador of the brand?
Nakakatuwa. And this is not the first time. Kumbaga, second time ko na ito. Tapos nakakatuwa rin sa BioEssence kasi in a way, I feel that they are with me in all my wins. Nung una kong in-endorse yung BioEssence, when I was, I think, 17 or 18 years old, I had my first break as a lead actor for GMA7 at that time, under Adik Sayo, partner ko si Dennis Trillo. Tapos, tumigil ako sa pag-aartista for 7-8 years. Pagbalik ko, after Dirty Linen, ito na naman si BioEssence.
Welcome back!
I know! So sabi ko, nakakatuwa naman na nakikita ni BioEssence yung milestone ng buhay ko at nagkakasabay din kami. Super happy ko rin for the brand itself, especially to Doktora na talagang reason kung bakit nagsimula yung BioEssence kasi ang tagal na rin talaga ng BioEssence sa business. 30 years is 30 years. We have to give it to them that they already know what they are doing when it comes to skin.
And of course, we're really looking forward to more wins of Miss Janica Garcia, and this time with BioEssence. Now, we have actually gathered some questions from the media people that we have over here, and I think hopefully they're gonna have some time with you later on. But for now, I'm gonna, do this solo. I'd love to have more time with you. So since you've mentioned that BioEssence is now celebrating its 30th anniversary, I want to know your secret. You're glowing for 30 years now. What's the secret to it?
Actually, si Mama, feeling ko yung secret is makinig lang talaga sa mga advice ni Mommy. When I was younger kasi, I wouldn't believe her when she tells me that sleep and water is very important. And ayoko talaga sanang isagot yun. Kasi nalala ko nung medyo bata-bata pa ako, yeah, right, sleep and water. Ganun yung nasa isip ko. But, once you reach the age of 30 and you get very little sleep, you'll notice how different your skin is the morning you wake up when you get a good night rest. And I'm a strong believer kasi talaga na prevention is really better than cure. So, huwag mong idadahilan sa sarili mo na okay lang, bata naman ako, kaya ko naman yung mga 2-3 hours of sleep. Kasi, habulin ka ng fine lines.
Please don't talk about me on stage. That was happy.
So, yun, parang ganun talaga. So, yun talaga nakikita ko. And of course, have a healthy and happy disposition. When you're not happy in life, whatever is giving you weight, you have to learn when to let go. Huy! Huy! Hindi, nagbibiro lang po ako. Mamimili tayo ng laban sa buhay. Parang yung mga masyadong mabigat, alamin natin kung kailan sila dapat bitawan at alamin natin kung ano yung dapat natin pinangahawakan para gumising tayo ng masaya kasi nakikita yun sa mukha natin.
I love that. We got a little pep talk from the Miss Janica Garcia. So now it's a wake-up call. And I like the reminder that everybody, you have to learn when to let go. And if life stresses you out, don't forget to go to the nearest branch of BioEssence so that you can rejuvenate and relax. Now, Miss Janica, again, as mentioned earlier, you want everybody to learn how to embrace aging healthily and beautifully. And with BioEssence, of course, with Caring Beyond Beauty, the tagline, we also embrace innovation that goes through time. And we have proudly presented to everybody the newest app of BioEssence called SC. What can you say about this innovation and about this, newest thing that we have here in BioEssence, Caring Beyond Beauty?
Kaya nga si Joe na yan eh. Parang utak na ni Joe yan, yung skills na yan. So, ng CEO natin, nakakatuwa kasi feeling ko, in this day and age, sobrang laging naghahabol ng oras sa mga tao. So it's nice that we now have a wellness app wherein, I think one of the reasons why some people find it difficult to book sessions is because mahirap, hassle, or itatawag mo ba and everything. At least now, with the new app, it's all there. Parang makakapag-book ka na real time, it's easy for you to schedule sessions. Tapos, yung mga kailangan mo rin, like articles, if you're someone who's like me, super enthusiastic about skin and skin health, nandun na rin, may mga articles silang makikita that will allow them to make informed choices about their skin. Yun siguro yung maganda ngayong 2024. Hindi na tayo basta naniniwala, ito maganda to kasi ito yung maging effect niya sa skin mo. Iba rin syempre yung kagaya niyan, meron tayong wellness app kung saan yung articles natin is of course scientific and evidence-based. Hindi siya based on, ito nag-trend kasi to, ganyan. So it's nice. At hindi lang yan, may mga products din sila makikita from there.
You know what? You really are the perfect choice to become the ambassador of BioEssence because they did not just get a model, they did not just get an ambassador, they also got a mental health advocate with all the things you're talking about when it comes to wellness. So we're really grateful that you are here with us. You're now part. Welcome back to the family of BioEssence. Now, Ms. Janica Garcia, any words or any message to everybody here may dapat pa silang abangan sa'yo aside from, you know, being part of new milestones, of more milestones of BioEssence?
Okay, so there will be movies that will play where I am there, meron ding teleserye, but I want to talk about BioEssence now. Gusto ko ibigay ito ng buong-buo sa BioEssence. Okay, hindi ko kasi nakikita yung mga faces exactly ng mga tao dito. But if this video reaches the social media, ma-post to, makita ng mga followers ko, patuloy lang po kayo magtiwala sa akin na hindi naman po tayo mag-endorse ng isang bagay na hindi natin pinapaniwalaan, hindi natin gagawin. When I signed with BioEssence, it's because I am all for their non-invasive procedures and treatments. I think it's nice. I mean, I have to say it. Sorry. Parang it's nice na kung paano nag-a-advance yung science. Ang ganda na ang dami na nating options to keep aging at bay and to age beautifully. But because my mom kasi, who is already in her 50s, hindi kasi siya hindi niya agad ginagawang option kasi yung mga treatments na invasive. And because she's aging so beautifully, like fine wine, syempre, idol kayo mommy ko. And ang ganda na pareho ng pinaniniwalaan ko, yung pinaniniwalaan din ng BioEssence. While BioEssence have treatments that are age-old practices, tried and true, evidence-based, nakakatuwa din na very innovative din sila. Ang dami nilang naiisip na ways on how to continue offering non-invasive treatments that gives results. So, see you in the nearest BioEssence branch. Salamat po.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, newest BioEssence ambassador,